Hello and Assalamualaikum my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be extra special because I will be sharing brand new exclusive bib necklace designs with you. Stay tuned and watch closely as I will also be diving into the details of different types of necklaces, who can wear them and more and many further details. Let's get started. Firstly, I wanna introduce my topic. Bib necklaces are statement jewelry pieces that are bold, stylish, and versatile. They derive their name from their resemblance to a child's bib, as they are designed to cover a substantial part of the chest area. These necklaces are often intricately crafted with beads, gemstones, pearls, metals, or other decorative elements, making them a go-to choice for elevating simple outfits. Historically, bib necklaces were worn as symbols of wealth and status in ancient Egypt and other civilizations. Today, they are a modern fashion statement perfect for formal occasions or as a focal point for casual wear. They pair beautifully with necklines like strapless, scoop necks, or off the shoulder styles, allowing their design to stand out. Now move to the some of important characteristics of beaded bib necklace design. Basically in this video I'm sharing a collection of bib necklaces but mostly designs are intricate beaded artwork. First, design focus. Beaded bib necklaces often feature a layered or cascading beads arranged in intricate patterns. They can include a mix of colors, textures, and bead sizes. Next thing is material choice. Common materials include seed beads, glass beads, crystal beads, pearls, and wooden beads. Third thing is versatility. Beaded bib necklaces are suitable for both modern and traditional outfits, adding elegance and flair. Next thing which I want to discuss in this video is how to make a beaded bib necklace. Creating a beaded bib necklace involves creativity and patience. Here is a step-by-step guide to make one at home. First thing is material needed: beads of various sizes, colors, and textures that depends upon your personal style and preferences. Beading thread or a wire, needle for beadwork if used thread, felt or fabric base for the bib shape. Next one is scissors. Other thing is clasp and jump rings. Glue optional for securing beads. Chain, it is used for the necklace straps. Pen or chalk for tracing. Now move to the proper procedure of making these type of necklace. First thing is design your necklace. Sketch the shape of your bib on paper or directly on the felt or fabric base. Common shapes include semicircles, triangles, or some different edgy corners. Second thing is cut the base. Using scissors, cut the felt or fabric into your desired bib shape. Ensure the edges are neat for a professional look. Third thing is arrange the beads. Lay out your beads on the base to visualize your design. Experiment with patterns, colors, and layering. Fourth step is attach the beads. For chariot beadwork, thread the needle and start sewing the beads onto the base. Work row by row or section by section, ensuring tight and secure stitches. For glued beadwork, use a strong adhesive to stick the beads onto the base. Allow the glue to dry completely before proceeding. Fifth step is add chains and clasp. Add jump rings to the edges of the base and connect them to a chain. Secure the clasp to the chain and ends for closure. Now at the end, inspect the necklace for loose beads or uneven edges. Trim any excess thread or fabric. Now the last step is test the fit. Wear the necklace to ensure it sits well and adjust the chain length if necessary. So yeah, that's the 7 main steps for making a beautiful beaded bib necklace. Now the last section of the video is very important because there's a question, which is why choose bib necklaces? It is because bib necklaces are not just accessories, they are a wearable art. They allow individuals to express their personal style, making a bold fashion statement. Yeah. Sharing a collection of unique designs and teaching how to create them, and sharing different feature design types of necklaces, different jewelry collections, is basically empower you to explore your creativity and embrace these timeless accessory. So yeah guys, that's all for the day. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe my channel and share your reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.